Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Coding Scientist. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 6 of Artificial Intelligence and Robotics on Jetson Nano JetBot module. So let's take a look at what we are going to do in this lesson. Let me open up my favorite manual. Alright guys, so in this lesson we are going to fix the standoff for the motor driver assembly. Alright, so you would have received 4 or 5 tall this kind of brass structure in your kit and with multiple screws, and this is the motor driver board. So let me show you how it looks like and how to fix it. Alright, so let me just share my JetBot. Okay, so this is how it looks guys. So this is the entire motor driver assembly which comes along with your kit. I'm going to talk about these sections at a later stage. For now we are going to fix these 4 mounting brackets. So look at it, how it is inwards, right? It has to be fixed inwards, and at the back you can see 4 mounting points: 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are also additional extra some more holes here, so do not get confused with these holes. This will be mounted in a different place, but you need to use these 4 holes as per the drawing in the manual. Just refer to the manual, it will be clear. So make sure that you hand tighten it. Just hold it with your hand, put the screws here, and you can just hand tight it. Do not tight too much because this is a PCB board. This might get damaged and it's pretty delicate circuit board, so do not hand tight, do not overpower it. So be very cautious, be pretty soft and handy. Alright guys, so this is how it should look like after you fix all the 4 mounting brackets, all the 4 brasses. Go ahead, fix it, keep it ready, and we are going to do some more interesting stuffs as we go forward. In the next lesson I am going to show you how we can proceed with this particular build. Until then, goodbye.